There is a remarkable universal law that is rarely talked about: the law of assumption. Have you ever heard you create your own reality? It's not just words, it's the essence of this law. Unlike the law of attraction, which asks you to magnetize your desires, the law of assumption takes it further. It says you don't need to draw anything to you. It's already yours. Essentially, it shifts the perspective from seeing is believing to believing is seeing. Both laws, though distinct, converge on a singular profound truth: the immense power of your subconscious mind. Dive deep, believe, and realize the world you always envisioned is already within you. The law of attraction nudges you to harness your subconscious for healing, raising your energy. Meanwhile, the law of assumption asks you to uncover your desires and beliefs, turning them into reality. Both emphasize the power of healing. It's not about rewriting your history. It's about unshackling from past burdens and pains. How does the law of assumption truly work? Consider everything around you: events, people, circumstances. They mirror the thoughts dancing in your mind. Recognize this, and life takes on a new color. Notice the people around you. Some may vex you, while others uplift your spirit. It's no coincidence. Those who irritate often reflects parts of you that you grapple with. In contrast, those who inspire echo the values you cherish or aspire to embody. They aren't just passing figures. They're messengers showing facets of your inner world. When someone evokes strong emotions in you, it's a clue. They spotlight areas in you that you need to address, or traits that you can embrace. The lens through which you view them isn't just about them. It shapes your interactions, and it doesn't stop at people. This principle governs every aspect of your existence. Imagine your mind as a movie editor, tweaking the narrative as it unfolds. Embrace this power, and you become the director of your own life story. So how do you change your life's narrative? Alter your inner dialogue. Let's say you're eyeing a promotion. Don't just wish, believe it's already yours. Start by crafting a clear intention, like sketching out your story's outline. I am on my way to that promotion. Then reinforce with daily affirmations. I have been promoted, or it's possible for me to get this promotion. Even if the outer world hasn't aligned, your inner belief begins to reconfigure your reality. You feel as if it is real. Think of it as a song you play on repeat. Gradually, its lyrics permeate your being, making the improbable feel inevitable. At first, it might seem like you're pretending, but repetition is potent. It convinces your mind not only to believe, but also to anticipate your desired outcome. That's the magic moment when the unbelievable becomes real. Your inner beliefs shape your outer world. Affirm, repeat, and watch your desires unfold. Each affirmation nudges you closer to making your dreams tangible. So when that promotion finally comes, it'll feel destined. Why? The law of assumption says it was always yours. Here's the nugget. Heard of the placebo effect? It's when people, given a sugar pill instead of medicine, still experience genuine improvements in their health. They believe they're being treated, and their body responds. It's not mere trickery. It's the undeniable might of belief in action. So if we go back to the example of wanting a promotion, using the law of assumption, you affirm, I have been promoted. Adding an action, performing well, strengthens that belief. It gives your mind a concrete reason to think this excellent performance. This not only boosts your conviction, but also presents evidence to your brain that the promotion is coming and it will happen. Suddenly, it's not just likely, but it's assured. This principle isn't limited to career moves. Want a straighter nose? It might seem quirky, but if you genuinely believe tracing your nose daily reshapes it over time, you might spot differences. Not magic, just mindset. Your steadfast belief in action's potential can shape outcomes. Laws, like musical instruments, resonate differently for everyone. Some may prefer the gentle chords of a guitar, while others love the piano's melody. What's vital is finding the tune that feels right for you. Think of the law of attraction as tuning into the universe's frequency, matching vibes to attract your desires. Yet, if raising vibrations feels challenging or doesn't resonate with you, the law of assumption is yours to ace. Instead of calling out, you simply realize that your desires are already inside you. Let this insight guide your manifestation journey. Therefore, I tell you, whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you have received it and it will be yours. Now, I truly hope that you found this universal law helpful for you. Please help others and spread this wisdom by giving this video a like, sharing it, and commenting your biggest takeaway. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to spiritually awaken and manifest the life of your dreams.